In this video, we're going to have a look at how do we answer a word problem that involves simple interest. So the question is, a $269,000 business is purchased on an $89,000 deposit with the balance payable over 5 years at 8.95% per annum, and ask us to calculate a series of questions. So let's have a look at how we can calculate those answers. So the first one is asking us how much money is borrowed to purchase the business. So to do that, we need to know the original price of $269,000 and the deposit amount of $89,000. Because when you buy something and you pay a deposit, that comes off of your loan amount. So the loan amount is going to be $269,000 subtract $89,000, which is going to equal $180,000. So $180,000 was borrowed to purchase the business. So part B is asking how much interest is charged. So to do that, I start off by defining my variables that's going to be in my simple interest formula. So the interest amount, we don't know. The principal is going to be $180,000. The interest rate is going to be 8.95%. When we divide that by 100 to convert it into a decimal, it becomes 0.0895. And my time is going to be 5 years. So to calculate interest, the next step would be to write the formula. So interest equals PRN, then substitute in my values. So 180,000 times 0.0895 times by 5. So that is going to equal interest of $80,550. So the next part of the question is asking us the total amount that needs to be repaid. So that's going to be the original value of the loan plus the interest. So the loan amount is going to be $180,000 plus the interest of $80,550. So the total amount that has to be repaid on the loan is $260,550. So the last part of the question is asking us to find the size of the equal monthly repayment and then explain 2 ways how these payments could be reduced. So first, we need to calculate how many payments he's going to make. So number of repayments is going to equal 5 times 12, because we know that he's borrowing the money for 5 years and there's 12 months per year, so that equals 60. So over the course of the loan, he is going to make 60 repayments. So to calculate the monthly repayment amount, that is going to equal his total amount he has to pay back, including interest, that's $260,550, divide by the total number of payments, which is going to be 60. So his monthly repayment amount is $4,342.50. So there are 2 ways that can be reduced. The first way is if he increases his deposit, then he will reduce his original loan amount. Reducing the principal will reduce the amount of monthly repayment. The second way he can reduce that amount is by borrowing the money over a longer period of time. So if he increases the length of the loan from 5 years, that will also reduce his monthly repayment amount.